The Fanttik F2 PRO cordless rotary tool feels powerful for its compact size with a strong magnetic motor that keeps speed steady even under light pressure. Its 5 selectable speed settings, ranging from gentle detailing to aggressive cutting, make it versatile enough for sanding 3-dimensional printed parts, polishing, drilling, carving, and light cutting tasks. The integrated RevoStor magnetic hub and aluminum case keep the 55 included accessories neatly organized and instantly accessible, which is especially handy if you move between workstations. An ergonomic pen-like shape with a well-balanced weight distribution makes the tool comfortable to control for extended sessions, reducing hand strain during precise work. Thoughtful touches like the shadow-free front light, side speed indicator band, and rear battery status light make it easier to see your work and avoid unexpected shutdowns. The high-capacity rechargeable battery delivers practical runtime for most do-it-yourself projects, so you can complete small to medium jobs without constantly returning to the charger.